Hi, I'm Patty, and you're at the Cade Museum for Creativity and Invention. You're with me inside the Creativity Lab today, and I'm glad you're back. So today we're going to do a simple seed dissection with things that you might just have laying around the house or in a pantry. Ask your grown-ups for permission and join us as we discover what is inside of a seed that makes it into a plant. What you're going to need to do is get some beans. You don't need this amount of beans, maybe 20 beans or so. They shouldn't be a split bean, they should be a whole bean, like a whole lima bean. These work the best. Soak them overnight in water. Now, we have pinto beans, kidney beans, we got all sorts of beans. And we've all been there. Beans, I know. It's simple. So, get a piece of paper towel, lay it out. That's going to be your dissection area. If you have a tweezers, that's even better. Ask your grown-ups. And a toothpick, a simple little toothpick. I'm going to open up my bean very, very, very carefully. First thing I want to do is take off the seed coat. Now, seeds have a coat on them, and if you try to pry it off, that little seed coat is so important. It protects the seed when it's in the ground. It protects it from predators and insects and helps it thrive. Now, taking your toothpick, gently pry open your seed. Inside the seed, you're going to notice there is two little parts, and one fell out already. We have a root and we have a mini leaf inside your seed, just waiting to come out of the ground. Now the roots go down to anchor the plant. The leaf starts to come up, looking for sunlight, photosynthesis, and it helps the plant start to grow. But what about food? So glad you asked. Because take that toothpick and scratch the center of your seed. Now, I scratched it and I'm pulling up a lot of soft material. Now, scientists, got to use your senses. Smell it. Kind of smells like cooked pasta, starch. And that is the food inside the seed that's going to feed the roots and the little leaf that soon will come up and start a plant. As it sits in the soil, the water and the soil starts to decompose and make that food inside. Remember, the seed coat was taken off. It breaks it down and creates nutrients for that little plant that's going to emerge in your garden. That is the secret of that plant. It all started from a seed. So next time you look at any seed outside, if you find one or just want to know what's in that seed, ask your grown-ups if you can soak it in some water overnight, open that seed up and compare it to all the different seeds that perhaps your grown-ups let you try in the kitchen by soaking them overnight.